Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to use Deepseek AI, then here is a guide for you. First, you just need to install Deepseek application on your device. Then you have to create an account on Deepseek AI. You can just go with your Google account. So here you can see I have already made a account on Deepseek AI. So here you can see I have no chat story, or I have no interference in the Deepseek AI. It is totally a new application on my device, and I am just using it from the very beginning. So from here you can just create a new chat with your Deepseek AI. So first you just need to drop any message or any inquiry that you want to know or discuss with the Deepseek AI. So for example, I'm going to just drop greetings for Deepseek AI. That here you can find that here is a loading option. That means Deepseek AI is now just analyzing your message, and it has just answering you according to your message. Now from here you can see it has just greet me back. So here you can see that it has just give the conversation name or the chat name as the greeting exchange between the user and the AI. So let me show you some features that on the chat section. This is actually the copy icon. If you tap on this, so you can just copy that message of that AI answer, and this is actually just you can say just recreate. You can just recreate the answer if you don't like it, or if you can find it appropriate to your question. So you can just tap on this icon and it will just regenerate the answer for you, and it will just show you another answer that you can just find it. So from here you can see there's number is 2 by 2. That means it has just prompted to answer or message or response. So you can just browse between these two options here. So it's pretty similar for greetings. Now you can just give a feedback by tap on this thumbs up button or thumbs down button. So if you like it, then you can just go with the thumbs up button, and if you dislike their response, then you can just tap on this thumbs down button. So that's how you can just drop another message like I'm going to ask any question that tell me the third law of Newton. Now here you can see I have just sent this message here. Here it is just loading, and it is just browsing for that answer, and it will just decorate the answer for us and give us the most authentic answer. From here you can see it has just given me the answer in details for my question. So that's how you can just ask anything to Deepseek AI. Now if you want to create another chat for different topic, for example, I have just created this topic for physics related questions. So if you want to create a new chat for tech related discussions with your Deepseek AI, then you can just ask for here that which is better, iPhone or Samsung. Just now I'm going to just adding this. Actually this is a complicated question, and this is the actually the controversy here. So debate it is a debate for a decade between people. So here you can see I have just sent it to this AI. So it's not giving me it is giving me all the pros and cons about these two companies. So that's how you can just create a tech related chat also. So if you want to get all the chats list, then you have to tap on this two horizontal line button at the top left corner, and from here you can find all the new chats here. So here you can see it is just generating. So you can see it will give here you can see it has just automatically generate a name for that chat. So here you can see I have just created two chats. So from here you will find all the chat listed here, and according to the date that this is the today's chat list. And from here you can just tap on this icon to create another chat. If you tap on it, this is actually also work for to create a new chat on Deepseek AI. Now let me show you the settings. You just need to tap on this two horizontal line button, and from here you will find the account option here, and with a three dot button, simply tap on the three dot button. Now from here you will find the email that you have associated with that this Deepseek AI. Now you can see the Google status, that if it's connected or not. Then in data controls, from here you can just find improve the model for everyone. So you can just turn it on to allow your content to be used to train their models and improve their service. Then they actually secure your data privacy, but they will analyze your data, your question, or any type of discussion from your chats. So you can just tap on this delete all chats option to delete all the chats that you have on your Deepseek AI. Now you can just delete your account if you want. Then you can just tap on delete account, then it will delete your account. From here you can just set the language as a preferred language from here. So it will just redirect you to the Deepseek AI settings on your device. So here you can see language, you can just tap on it and you will find all the language that you can set for your Deepseek AI application. Now you can just set it to light mode or dark mode from here, and here is the terms and uses, privacy policy, and just etc. So here is the app permissions that you can give it. Here you can see it has just it is actually in Chinese language. So actually unfortunately I can read this message, but hopefully there's something about the permissions that you can have from this application, or the app can have from you. Now from here, if you are facing any hassle, then you can just contact to their representative, and you can just tap on logout button here to log out from your account on Deepseek AI. So there's the settings of Deepseek AI. Now let's talk about some another thing, that here you can see Deep Think R1 and search. So you can just tap on it to enable this AI model, this AI prompt here. So it will just answer that question through this AI prompt here, or you can just tap on search here. So this Deepseek will search for your answer of that question that you have asked to Deepseek AI through all the browsers and websites and other sources, and it will cite the sources names and all the references. Now from here you'll find the plus icon here. You can just tap on it and you can just add a photo, or you can just add a text image by clicking instant photo by tap on this photo OCR, or you can, if you have any photo already available on your gallery and you want Deepseek AI to analyze that photo and get the text from that, then you can just upload that photo from your gallery by tap on this image OCR. And if you want to submit or document and you want to Deepseek to analyze that document, or you want to discuss with that document, then you can just tap on document here. Then it will just redirect you to the it will open up the files on your device. So that's the everything about Deepseek AI, and hopefully you have all the knowledge about every features on Deepseek AI. If you have any confusion left yet, then you can just ask me in our comments below. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and thanks for watching. Till next time.